Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to know more about the features of OpenShot Video Editor. OpenShot Video Editor is a free and open source editor available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's free and quite simple to use. So let's start with how to download the app, for which you just open your Chrome tab, type OpenShot and select the one which is suitable for you for your operating system. Now click on the download and you can see this version written here. So click on this download button and install it. Once you have installed and launched it on your system, you can see a shortcut menu. Here, this is the shortcut icon of OpenShot Video Editor. Now click on it. Now when you click on the shortcut icon of OpenShot Editor, the window will appear like this. Initially when you open the window, some blue outlined windows, small pop-up windows will appear. That's nothing but tutorials. Just follow it. You will get some idea regarding how to start with this app. Now we can see two windows parallelly. One is the project file window, the other one is the video preview window. The left side window is where we have to add our files for our project, that is to make the videos. And here, whatever we add here, we can see it as a preview by clicking this start button, play button. Now the first step is we have to add whatever files or clips that we need to create our video by choosing the file. We can either choose by right clicking here, import files, then whichever file you need to add, we can choose it. Okay, so by opening it, it will be appearing here. This is one manner of inserting the video clip. Otherwise, we can choose from here file, import files, the same procedure. We can add the second tutorial, open.